So we're going to give the father-in-law a bit of a demo on how to drive it. Should be interesting.
Like a cat.
There we go, mate. You're on video.
Oh.
Okay, so first step is big red kill switch.
Yep.
Turn that on.
Yep.
Check it's out of gear.
Yep.
Check your fuel clutch just in case. That starts the the ignition up.
Yep.
So you'll hear all that prime up.
Yep.
As soon as that screen comes on.
Yep.
So I've circled that red.
Yep.
That's power steering. It needs to go forward.
Power steering.
Yep.
Okay.
I've written it all down for you though.
Okay.
And before you guys leave, engine temperature's there.
Yep.
Just ideally needs to be at 70.
Oh,
so
okay.
the car drives good.
Yep.
Just a bit of a pig.
Yep.
Okay, so if you happen to get into reverse, reverse is where first is.
Oh, okay.
So get into it,
Yep.
you have to go first,
Yep.
then out of first,
Yep.
push the lever down,
Yep.
and then into reverse.
Okay.
That slows all the gears down.
Yep.
So put it in reverse for me. So first gear first,
First.
and then now push it down, and now put it where first is. Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, when I'm driving, I'm
Yep. Constantly.
keep pumping the gas.
Yep.
So this is kind of not really good for riding the clutch heaps.
Okay. Yep.
Good. Okay. So when you first put it in first, just wait a little bit
Yep.
and then straight in.
Okay.
The brakes have no booster.
Oh, okay. So like a manual.
You'll be just like an old car,
Yep.
an old Ford Escort.
Yep. Used to those. And it'll idle okay, like if I'm not pumping the gas?
Yep. Yeah, shit on as sweet as.
Oh, right, this is actually quite fucking cool.
Some stupid reason you lose brakes, you've got another brake here.
Oh, okay,
That's
yeah.
your handbrake.
Yeah, no, I'll be very careful not to lose that. Is that your computer there?
Yeah. So we'll do a run from down here. And we get a big arc to be tight. Okay. When you change the gears, right in.
Okay.
No fucking around.
Okay.
You'll probably be fine in second. Time to get to third. And on the downshift, wait a little bit. Go like this.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so it's probably going to be easiest to go around that way.
Around the back.
Yeah.
Is that all the clutches?
That's all until you touch that stop.
Yep.
Yep. So when you first get in first, just put it in and wait a tiny bit, and then boom. Clutch fully in, smash. Here's the one. How's it feel to drive first drift car?
Bloody awesome, mate. Scary.
Couple of instructions.
Yep. Scary this way.
Put your foot down a little bit. Some more. Hard left, it'll get back around. Fire it back up. Don't want to be scared about the gas and don't be scared about the clutch.
Okay, that's the starter, right?
That's the starter, yeah. Heaps of gas, way more. Yeah.
Awesome.
What do you think of that?
Fantastic. Good luck, mate.
Something different, mate?
Yeah. It's going to be an awesome night. How do we turn it off?
Okay, so took that off there.
Yep.
Power steering off.
Yep.
That one there.
Oh, okay, brilliant. Yep.